Hey guys, I'm in the I'm on my way home, so I'm in the public transport, that is a matatu. So yeah, hivyo ndivyo nilikuwa nimekaa ndani ya hiyo matatu, and then later I arrived at home. Yeah, so I'm going to have that cake with tea. I'm very hungry you guys. Yeah, so nilikuwa nishauma, then I'm going to kata it kwa sahani. Yeah, so I kata it kwa sahani na nikaanza kukula you guys. Nimetoka job, nimesikia njaa, so just want kwanza tumbo ipate joto. Yeah, I'm done with taking breakfast. Yes.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is on a Thursday. It's around 1:30 p.m. Nimeingia kwa hii nyumba around saa 6:30. Think of seeing me taking tea and cake. Didn't take breakfast. Yeah, later nimekula githeri. Githeri ndio hii hapa, ile imebaki. Kama mnaona, this is githeri. Ile imebaki. So guys, na nimetumia habanero chilies kukula githeri. So guys, I hope you'll enjoy my vlog. It has been a while I haven't posted on Tuesday. So tomorrow you'll get a truth. So hope you'll enjoy the Friday vlog. Yeah, Friday's tomorrow. So guys, I will just give you my homemaking vlog, and hope you'll enjoy. Hope you'll subscribe. If you haven't, kindly remember to share me out, you guys. Yeah, so and if you haven't watched the previous videos, you are missing a lot. What are you waiting for? Yeah, so I will link the previous videos in this video. So hope you'll enjoy. Subscribe, leave a positive comment, and share me out if you can. Yeah, so guys, this is my hairstyle. Just drop lines. Yeah, I think my salon is doing amazing. It has finished 1 week. Oh yeah, nilitengeneza on Sunday, so nimemaliza, like tomorrow I'll be having 5 days, on Sunday 1 week. They are still neat, you guys. I think my salon is doing amazing. And then I did nails. Hi, sijui kama mnaweza ona, nilitengeneza makucha, sijui kama mnaweza ona. Yeah, so 2025 goal, smelling good, looking good. I'm not forcing issues. So that is my principle for this year. I said I will smell good. Skincare routine. Even if I don't have those expensive products, I will work with what I have. But you guys, I must maintain my skin, my body, yeah, my healthy routine. Yeah, even eating. Actually, I'm trying, you guys, eating healthy and avoiding sugars. Yeah, I think since January, I'm away with sugars. I'm trying, you guys. Yeah, so my name is Adija. That's going basically on making. So remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that when I post a video, you can notified. Pop. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
So guys, hapa tulikuwa tuna boil maragwe, so it's almost cooked. Yeah, leo natumia makaa and the pot boiling the maragwe. Alafu you guys, I've been having postponing doing kata kupunguza maua yenye iko pale kwa ile mlango wa choo mnavyoona. That is my outside latrine, washrooms and a bathroom for my visitors. So those flowers had grown till you cannot even pass through. You can't get well in that toilet. So I usually say I will just cut it, and sometimes I'm tired today. So this afternoon after job, nimeamua niende nikate hiyo maua just to go and trim those flowers so that the entry can be passable. Yeah, so no more talking, just see what I did to those flowers.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance.
So guys, as you can see, the sun is very hot. That's why I'm just washing the face so that I can feel some coolness, you guys. And then I wanted to clean this my outside latrine. I think my nanny never did it in the morning. The toilet was dirty, you guys. Yeah, so I usually use vim powder to scrub the floors, but right now I just want to use that water, you guys. Yeah, so that that place can be clean. And then, you guys, I'm going to sweep those leaves that have fallen down after I cut those I trimmed the flowers, you guys. That place was very weird. Yeah, you could even get some snacks there because it was kind of bushy. So I usually say I will cut it. So today I was just saying that I will be tired, but I make sure I accomplish the mission. So that place is clean, you guys. And then you can see my flowers are doing well over there. You can see, and the place is windy. It is hot, very hot and very windy at the same time, you guys. Yeah, so that is how the flowers are growing. That is my kitchen garden. Yeah, that is place is ever windy, you guys, but my backyard, it has a very fresh hair. Yeah, so and then we had washed some laundry, yeah, for my toddler for school. And then yes guys, I'm done. So I just want to have a nap. I'm really tired,
Guys, I'm really tired, so I just want to have a nap. Yeah, as I edit my videos here, guys. So yeah, I'm sleeping on that wall because I really want to charge. You can see there's charger here. I want to charge, guys. Yeah, my phone is almost dying, so I think I'm tired. I just want to have a nap. Yeah, so hope you'll enjoy this video and remember to subscribe, guys. Yeah, I've opened the windows. It is very hot in this area. So guys, I love to relax in this my bedroom because the windows are facing a fresh air and a cool breeze here. Because yes, I don't know whether you can see. Well, here you can see. Okay, that window is really.
in the evening, guys. I wanted to cook dinner with you. For the dinner, we are going to have chicken breast. Yeah guys, so I said I want to be eating healthy. Yeah, so I'm starting by with cutting that chicken breast. Yeah, you guys, I love getting chicken breast from Naivas. I guess I usually see their chicken breast is a bit many and affordable, like on Fridays offers, you guys. Yeah, you find 1 kg is around six something. So I usually take advantage of the offer so that I can get like 2 kgs. So yeah guys, yeah, so today we are just going to have that chicken breast, some ugali, some greens, you guys. Yeah, and avocado. So stay tuned till the end of this video and tell me what you think about this vlog, you guys. Yeah, for a working mom after work, you guys. A mom will never rest. I'm done with cutting the chicken breast, and that is a lot. We are going to have like twice that chicken breast. It's a lot. It's just me, my nanny, and my toddler. Yeah, and then let's jump to frying the onions, and then I'm going ahead to add the Royco cube. Yeah, and then I'm going to fry it, you guys. Simple recipe over there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cumin powder. Yes, so that the meat can have the sweet taste. And then I'm going ahead to put the chicken breast and let it cook well and spice well with those spices. Yeah, so it's simple chicken breast stew. Yeah, so I love cooking. When I'm tired, I love cooking a simple meal like chicken breast. Just less time and it's done. Then it's time to put the tomatoes there. I'm adding the tomatoes, you guys. As simple as that. As you know, my toddler loves chicken breast so much, so I'm not going to put a lot of spices because of my baby, you guys. Yeah, so that is how our evening is going on with our cooking. So if you're new, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by and supporting my channel. And yes guys, tell me what you think about my own vlogs. Yes, and you share in my section comment what you love about my home, what you want me to shoot for you and bring you. Yes, for my home, around my home, anything you love around my home, kindly share in the description box, and then I will bring you more about it. So the chicken breast is ready. I just want to serve ugali there. So that is for my nanny. I'm serving my nanny and my toddler with the white ugali. For me, I'm using ugali afia, so that ugali for yellow is mine. Yes guys, because of health issues. Yeah, someone asked me, am I eating the yellow ugali? And then I told them, guys, it's for healthy issues. That's why I'm taking that ugali. So when I take that ugali, I'm always doing fine, you guys. But the white ugali, I usually get sick, you guys. So bear with my feeding. Yes, as we pray for healing from heaven, we must even ourselves take precaution first. And then I'm going to add avocados, you guys. Yeah, avocados are very expensive, and if you get them, they are not good inside. So I was trying this one. I got it from market at around 40 bob. Yeah. So for those who follow me, they know we love to use balanced diet food, you guys. Yeah. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Tell me more about this video, guys, and share this video and like it, comment, and let's meet to the other video. Thank you for watching.